Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Home Assistant and set up backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for your Home Assistant instance. Press enter to navigate to the login page. In the login form, enter your username. Next, input your password. Click on the login button. Once logged in, you will see the Home Assistant dashboard. Now, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to the configuration option and click on it. In the configuration menu, find Settings and select it. Look for General within the Settings section. Here, you will see options for managing backups. To create a backup, navigate to Backups in the Settings list. Click on the Create Backup button. You will be prompted to name your backup. Enter a descriptive name for easy identification. Select the backup type you prefer, full or partial. After making your selections, click on Create. Your backup process will begin and may take a few moments. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message. To view your backups, go back to the Backups menu. Here, you will find a list of all your created backups. For added security, consider setting an automatic backup schedule. Navigate back to the Settings section. Look for automations in the list. Click on Automations to set your backup frequency. Choose the appropriate times and intervals for your backups. Once set, click Save to confirm your automation. Your Home Assistant is now securely backed up and ready to go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.